So a lot of us right now are under probably a mandatory quarantine or a voluntary quarantine, and well, times are weird, and it's a little bit scary sometimes. A lot of YouTubers seem like they're releasing videos early or doing some extra videos just to give people something to watch and something to take their mind off of all the wild going on. So I figured I would jump in on that too and just maybe do like a series of really easy projects or just, simple stuff. I did a poll a little while back asking if y'all wanted main project videos that normally come out on Friday released early, and it was about 50-50, so I think we'll leave the project videos for Friday, but I think I'll also maybe try to do just some extra videos throughout the week of just really easy things, and I think I might do a bamboo series. And I realize not everybody might have access to bamboo, but it grows naturally here, and you might be able to buy some. And I'm going to start this one off with this little toothbrush organizer, which is pretty neat, and this one is for my son because it's got all the kid. What's the plural of toothbrushes? Toothbrushes? Teeth brushes? A flock of teeth brush? I don't know, but this is pretty neat, and it's quirky, and it goes good in a bathroom, so let's check it out. It's really easy. Boy, it's really kind of a cold, gloomy, rainy day today. I've got a lot of this bamboo that my dad brought me, and I figured I could try to make some stuff with it. And I thought a cool thing would be is my son has this little toothbrush set, and of course the toothpaste. And while the toothbrush set does come with this little plastic stand that's not that bad, why not make my own little toothbrush organizer for the bathroom? There's really nothing mathematical about it. Bamboo's got these baffles right here, so I think I'm going to use that and just kind of make a mark. And then I could use the individual toothbrushes. This is pretty narrow up here, so I think I'm going to start here. So I figure that the bandsaw is probably the best tool to use for this. I think you could use the table saw for this because we cut dowels on the table saw, but I don't know, with this round kind of irregular shaped bamboo, I think I'll have more control on the bandsaw. So I need to do some sanding on these, and I want to get them nice and smooth, but I've got some 60 grit on here because I really kind of want to grind away at where these branches were. I'm really 100% sure how I'm going to attach these together. I thought I'd use some wood glue, and I don't see why wood glue wouldn't work, but I don't know, it just seems kind of weird, so I think I'm just going to use some 5-minute epoxy. Gonna make sure you stir this stuff together really good. One other thing I'm going to try to do to just fancy this up a little bit is just glue some of this twine onto here. And I was going to use hot glue, but I can't find my hot glue gun anywhere, so super glue is going to have to work. I don't think bamboo really needs any kind of finish, and I put Danish oil on bamboo before and it really didn't like pop or anything like wood, but whatever. I still want to do something, so I'm going to put just some of this orange oil and beeswax on it. It kind of has a slight color pop. You could sand it really smooth though. I was trying to decide if I wanted to put a base on this or not. The only thing I could really use as a base would be some kind of wood. I don't know. I just feel like it might look weird to have the bamboo with like, say, oak or pine or something. So I think I'll just leave it like that. I don't think that looks bad. Alright, now it could go into its final home. And there you have it. Quick and easy. I like this thing. I would have still maybe thought some kind of base might look good on there, but I think it's fine like this, and I really like it. I like it better than the plastic thing that was holding them all, and you know, bamboo's just cool. And I think the little twine around there is a good accent to it, so it'll live here in the bathroom and just look nice. Or I got quite a bit ahead on projects and videos that are scheduled, so for the next couple of Fridays, you might not hear anything about quarantine and stuff like that, because a lot of these were completed before it really got to the point that it is now. I'll try to do some more of these, this bamboo. I think that'll be fun. Just some easy, random, super simple stuff you could do with bamboo, and it'll be pretty fun. So thank you very much for watching. I hope everybody is staying safe. If you have a shop where you live, now is a perfect time to just get out there and even do something really easy like this. You don't got to take on a big, massive project. Just some scrap stuff and easy things to keep yourself active and doing something. I hope you all stay safe, and I'll see you soon.